we got this question, and this question is very unique. You have to understand, you have to apply so many concepts over there. Now look at this. The locus of midpoint of the chord of contact of tangents drawn from points lying on the straight line this to the circle this. So we have equation of circle as this. Okay, this is your equation of circle. X square plus y square equals to 9, and this is, suppose you have, this is straight line, so 4x minus 5y equals to 20. So from this line you have to drop down so many tangents. Okay, so suppose that you have considered this point and you have dropped down one of the tangent. Okay, so you got this as chord of contact. Suppose it is A, suppose it is B. So you have to find out locus of midpoint of the chord of contact of the tangent drawn from the points lying on this line. Okay, so suppose that the midpoint of this line is h comma k, because this is how we used to solve na locus based question. So we used to assume that thing as h comma k. Later we will apply some concept and then we will replace h with x, k with y. Now, so these guys are interested in, like, look at this, the locus of the midpoint of the chord of contact of tangents drawn from the points lying on the straight line this. So from the point on this straight line, so we have to imagine a point on this straight line. So can you please help me in like taking one point on this line? You know that whenever there is requirement of assuming a point, we used to imagine it in parametric form. Okay, so can I say that, suppose that y is like, suppose it is t, so y is t. So if y is t, then x will be what? It will be 5t plus 20 upon 4. Okay, so you got point. Now look at this, how we will connect these two ideas. So it is chord of contact and also it is midpoint of chord. So first we'll write down equation of chord of contact. Equation of chord of contact. Chord of, so how we used to write it? It's equals to t equals to 0. Done. So can I write x replacement? Here it is x square, so x x1, so 5t plus 20 by 4, x x1 plus y y1, okay, minus 9 equals to 0. So you got your chord of contact done. Now look at this, the locus of midpoint of the chord. So now I am interested, like here also it is equation of AB, equation AB. Now I am interested in finding locus of chord if midpoint is given. So here it is midpoint, here it is circle, so we will find equation of line, equation of chord whose midpoint is h comma k. So can I replace h x x1 plus y y1 minus 9 equals to 0? Okay, is that okay? Now look at this, sorry, it was t equals s1 है ना. So this is transformation, and then s1 is what? Point satisfaction. So it is h square plus k square minus 9. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Okay, now look at this. Let's rearrange. Like in previous equation of AB, we wrote nothing on the right hand side, so here also we'll do the same thing. So x h y k minus h square plus k square. Okay, now you know that it is also representing equation of AB, so both are representing equation of AB. So means both are representing same equation of line, means coefficients will remain the same. So can I write 5t plus 20 by 4 upon h is equal to t by k is equal to 9 by h square plus k square. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. You know that in this equation you guys have introduced h k t, so it is your responsibility to remove these things. Okay, so how we will remove? Like you know that you don't have problem with h and k because you will replace h with x, k with y. You have problem with t, so try to manipulate t. So can we take help of these two things to remove t? Can I write t as 9 times k upon h square plus k square? Okay, so in place of t you can write this thing. Okay, now to write down final equation I'll compare these two things. So it is 5t plus 20 by 4h is equal to t by k. Okay, now replace t. So can I write 5 times 9k upon h square plus k square plus 20 is equal to 4h by k 9k upon h square plus k square. This k gone. Okay, now let's take LCM. So we will be left with 45k plus 20 h square 20 k square 36h. Now in denominator both will have h square plus k square, it will be get neutralized. Okay, now replace h with x. Okay, so it is 20x square plus 20y square minus 36x plus 45y is equal to 0. Okay, so the required equation is this thing. Okay, it is 20x square, okay, 20y square 45y minus 36x. Yes, I hope you can connect your concepts with this illustration. Okay,